Hello, this video will show you how to find materials that a teacher has left for you on the Google Cloud Drive. Before following along though, you'll need to sign into your Chrome account and bring up the Chrome browser. Once you've done that, your computer screen should look pretty much like the one you see here. With your mouse, click on the little cluster of dots in the upper right corner, which will bring up a bunch of apps, sort of like the home screen of a cell phone. Go ahead and click on the app which looks like this and has the word Drive under it. That click will take you to the Google Cloud Drive screen, which should look like this. The Google Cloud Drive is not only where you save your own files, but also where your teacher saves files for you. To find your teacher's files, click on the words Shared Drives on the left side of the screen. You should see a drive named Students in the middle of the screen. Click on the word Students twice in a row quickly to display a list of teacher names. Find your teacher in the list and click on his or her name twice in a row quickly too. Your screen should now show the materials that your teacher has posted. Good luck!